In an unbelievable feat of modern engineering, billions of dollars of steel are transformed.
Hold it steady. Almost there.
Set it down gently, watch the starboard connection point.
Steady, hold steady. Lift confirmed. Moving starboard. Laser reads green. Alignment confirmed. Pressure holding steady. Ready for weld prep. Installation of the sophisticated cryogenic insulation layers begins, the first step in creating the membrane containment system capable of storing LNG at
The cargo hold is now ready for its most advanced component.
Crane control, we are clear to lower the pump tower. Tension looks good.
Roger that. Descending slowly.
Okay, lower sequence engaged. Steady, steady. Aligning mounts now. Perfect position, confirming set down.
Almost through the main run. How are the drums looking? Rotating steady. Looks good from here.
Master power engaged.
Confirming auxiliary systems online.
All green on Sector 4. Looking good. Thermal readings are stable across the membrane.
Verification successful. We are cleared for completion.
Section W12-4 confirms structural integrity. Noted. Approved for commissioning. The final challenge is proving that every system works together as one. Thousands of sensors. Locking pins engaged. Secure the power connector now. The immaculate vessel is now ready for its final walkthrough.
The mechanical systems are approved. Next comes full automation testing.
We have primary relay stabilization. Copy that. Failsafe protocol validated. Alarms are clear.
Control, this is engine room. We have successful ESD activation. Valves showing closed and sealed.
Bow gauges indicate full submersion. Stern is clear of the blocks. We have independent float. Confirmed. Proceed with undocking sequence. Differential readings confirmed. We are stable. Acknowledged. Proceeding with extraction sequence.
As you can see, the exhaust gas system is fully operational and within all regulatory parameters.
Confirmed. That completes Section 3 of the pre-inspection checklist.
Every document is complete. The vessel is officially delivered.
We build the future, strong and bold.
The Global Pioneer represents over 10 million man-hours of construction. It is the largest vessel of its kind ever built, a true engineering masterpiece.
Welding operations are active. All unauthorized personnel must clear the assembly area immediately.
We build the future, steel by steel. A titan rises, strong and real.
More than just a vessel, this achievement secures a cleaner future for global energy and maritime transport.